Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, go and big up on yourself. In today's video, I will be making bubblegum flavored lip gloss, and I will be making pink, yellow gold, and pearl lip gloss. These are the ingredients that I will be using, and I am showing you right now. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So we're going to take the TKB Gloss Base, which I purchased on Amazon. This is a vegan gloss base which may be used in lip gloss, hair gel, and facial moisturizer. So what I will be doing is to take some of the gloss base and place it in each of my containers that you see on the table. I will be making 3 different colors of lip gloss. Afterward, I will be using my coconut oil. This is organic coconut oil, and then I will be placing some of the coconut oil in each container. We will be mixing the coconut oil and the gloss base together to get a sticky but not too runny texture. So guys, please continue to watch and I'll show you exactly how I make my lip gloss. I will be using 3 colors as I mentioned before. Very easy. I hope you enjoy my content, and I'll see you guys in my next one.